Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is t to the power of t, and this equals t to the power of 4. We are solving for all values of t that will satisfy this equation. Now, we can make use of natural log and another method. So let's start using natural log. I have natural log of t to the power of t, and this equals natural log of t to the power of 4. Now, according to logarithm property, if you have log of a to the power of b, this equals b times log a, meaning that natural log of a power b equals b times natural log a. So that means we are going to have t times natural log of t equals, this is 4 times natural log of t. So right now, if you multiply this out, you have t natural log of t, and this equals 4 natural log of t. So what you can do at this point is you can divide the both part of this equation by natural log of t. You divide this by natural log of t. This cancel this. You have t equals, this cancel this. You have 4. Also, you can simply form an equation. If you have t times ln t, this is t ln t equals 4 times natural log of t. You move this over here. You have t times ln t minus 4 times ln t equals 0. ln t, you factor that out. You have ln t, this divides this. You have t minus this divided this. You have 4 and this equals 0. So at this point, you have ln t equals 0. You have t minus 4 equals 0. So if ln t equals 0, you can solve for t by eliminating this ln. You have e power ln t equals e power 0. So at this particular point here, e eliminate ln. You have t equals e power 0, and e power 0 is 1. So you have t equals 1. Now, you can also solve for t right here. By moving negative 4 over here, you have t equals 4. So in this other method, we are having two different solutions, which are t equals 1 and t equals 4. But by just dividing here, we are having only one, which is t equals 4. Now, let's solve this using a different approach. We have t power t equals t raised to the power of 4. I divide this by t power 4. I divide this by t power 4. Let's cancel this. So what I'm going to have is t raised to the power of t divided by t raised to the power of 4 equals 1. From here, if you have a power n divided by a power n equals a power n minus n. So that means we are going to have t power t minus 4 equals 1. And at this particular point in time, we can then apply natural log. I have natural log of t power t minus 4 equals natural log of 1. Now remember, if you have natural log of a power b, this equals b times natural log of a. So the t minus 4 here will come behind this. So we are going to have t minus 4 times natural log of t equals natural log of 1. So from here, you can find out what natural log of 1 is. A natural log of 1 is 0. So this is 0. That means we have t minus 4 times natural log of t equals 0. So this simply means that t minus 4 equals 0. Natural log of t equals 0. So we can solve for t right now. If t minus 4 equals 0, we can solve for t. I can have t equals 4, moving this over here. So this is my t1. Here, I can also solve for t by making use of e. I have e power ln t equals e power 0. This cancels this. I have t equals e power 0. And any number of alphabet raised to the power of 0 is 1. So that means you have t equals 1. Now we are having two different solutions again. T equals 4 and t equals 1. So guys, the next thing we are going to do will be to check. So we have check. We have t equals 4 and t equals 1. Those are the two solutions. And the question remains t power t equals t power 4. So we are solving for or checking for these values. Let's start with when t equals 4. So I'm going to have 4 power 4 equals 4 power 4. And what is the value of 4 power 4? 4 is a perfect square, which is 2 power 2 raised to the power 4 equals 2 power 2 raised to the power 4. And don't forget, a power n equals a power n times n. So this will simply give us 2 power 2 times 4, that is 8, equals 2 power 2 times 4, that is 8. And 2 power 8 is 256. So we have 256 here equals 256. So guys, this is it. One solution has proven to be correct. Now let's consider the second solution, which is t equals 1. We have t power t equals t power 4. We substitute 1 for t. Have 1 power 1 equals 1 power 4. So 1 raised to the power of 1 is 1, and 1 raised to the power of 4 is 1. Irrespective of the value of t that you have here, as far as this one, irrespective of this value, you are going to have 1. So left hand side and right hand side are the same. So this also has satisfied the equation. So guys, for you to solve this exponential problem, you can literally apply natural log at first instance, making use of this first method. Then you form an equation by moving this over here to have two different solutions. But if you want to have one solution, you simplify by ln t, and you are going to have 4. Or you form an equation by moving this 4 times ln t over here, and you are going to have two different solutions. Another method is by dividing by this t power 4. Then you consider this identity. Then you are going to then apply natural log on both sides. Remember, natural log of 1 is 0. So you can form two different equations. You have t minus 4 equals 0, and you have ln t equals 0. So you solve for t by moving negative 4 across equality sign. It becomes positive 4. That's our t1. Now to solve for t2, you need to eliminate this ln, and you can do that making use of e power ln t equals e power 0. Remember, any number or alphabet raised to the power of 0, exception of 0 itself, is 1. So at the end, we have 1 and 4 respectively. So we went ahead to insert these two values for t, and they both satisfy the equation. So guys, that is it. Thank you.